As residents and the business community in St. James continue to grieve Saturday's murder of a business operator in Montego Bay, jarring questions this evening and criticism of the state of emergency in that parish. They say while the number of killings is down, the S.O.E is losing its effectiveness. Well-known business operator Andrew Chin, also known as Andy, the latest victim of vicious criminality in Montego Bay, St. James. Mr. Chin operated a cash pot shop on Church Street.
Oh my, I put Andy nice to nobody would road a plan to do Andy nothing. I see all the cash pot people, them will buy cash pot in the city, they said, can put this with black pan head.
Reports are that Mr. Chin was held at gunpoint, taken to his house, which was searched, then brought to his business place, where a safe, his firearm and vehicle were stolen. He was then shot and killed. Residents are not only shocked by the killing, but upset as incidents like this continue despite an ongoing state of public emergency in the parish.
Them things that can't happen, man. We can't have a state of emergency and things like this are going on all the while, so. Every minute people dead. Eh? Man, them are waste of time here, man.
Anthony voiced the opinion of many others. The state of emergency has lost its effectiveness. They say the security personnel are not only predictable in their actions, but have also been focusing on the wrong things.
Yeah, state of emergency, and you hardly see the soldiers them in a town. The only one that you see most of the time are the one that bother the taxi man them. And them you see all the while. You not see no soldier that walk up and down in the place.
Another issue of concern is the previously touted use of technology as a crime-fighting tool. Anthony pointed out that Saturday morning's murder happened a few meters from this security camera, which raised this question.
All the camera them on them place, I don't even know if them are work. You don't know if they're up there for just intimidate people. I don't know. You know, so you need to find out if them think that they work too. Because they must work, they can't just up their style. You know, a foolishness are going on with town in a bedroom. A foolishness this.
Initial checks by TVJ News revealed that there is a major issue with these cameras, which were mounted in public spaces in Montego Bay, and so they may be of little help, if any at all, in bringing Mr. Chin's killers to justice.